Thank you for joining us for this brief video on showing how to execute multiple actions based on a single mouse click. To start, we'll show you the project running. In our runtime, we have a cube displayed here on the display. This cube is configured as a button to execute 4 commands. The first is to toggle a value, in which case you'll see the button change from green to red and then back again when we press it a second time. The set value sets the tag underneath the set value label to a value of 10. We will execute a script class that will increment the value currently shown as 4 under script by 1, and then we'll pop open a display. So first, using my left mouse button, I'm going to press the cube object, and we see all those things are true. We toggled the value, we set a value to 10, and we ran a script, finally opening up a logon screen. We'll cancel that out and let me reset this value here to 0. Hit enter. Okay. Now click on the object. We see that the value here for the button has been toggled. We set the value here again to 10, and we incremented the value under script by 1, finally opening up the logon screen. So let's take a look at how this is actually configured. Within FactoryStudio, there are just 3 tags being used: count, set tag, and toggle tag to receive those values. There is also a script class called class 1. So all we had to do was enter the name of the new script class and hit enter, and then go to code editor to edit the code that we wanted, in which case we just put an instruction to increment the tag count by 1. Finally, let's go to the draw module, and here's the display. In this display, we see that here's the cube that's configured to execute an action when the mouse left button is pressed down. The action is to run expressions, and the expressions are toggle the value of the toggle tag, set the value of the set tag to 10, run a script class called class 1, which we saw, finally to open up the logon display. So all those things are executed simply by clicking on the cube object. Thank you. I hope that answers any questions you might have about configuring multiple actions based on a single mouse click. For more information, please visit us at www.tatsoft.com and look for other Tatsoft videos online.